What is the tarot? Is it just a bunch of cards used for fortune telling? Or is it an ancient and powerful tool used for self-realization and self-transformation? Let's find out. Hi, this is Harold and welcome to the Sanctum. This channel is dedicated to learning and exploring ancient knowledge and tools for self-transformation. If you're new here, please remember to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to help support this channel. This is a brand new sub-series on the tarot. This video will be the introduction to the tarot and the tarot deck that we'll be using and what is really possible with tarot and what is it really used for. When it comes to tarot, there are thousands of different decks that you could use. In general, it would be entirely up to you to decide what tarot deck that you would want to use. However, traditionally, there are some decks that are more commonly used for tarot, purely because these decks use the universal symbolism which are illustrated on each card. And when it comes to tarot, the symbolism is very important. And it is for this reason that these three decks are the commonly used decks for tarot. And these three decks are the Rider-Waite deck, the Thoth deck, and the French Marseillaise deck. But for this sub-series, we shall be focusing mainly on the Rider-Waite tarot deck. So what is so special about the tarot? Well, tarot is one of the most powerful aids to spiritual growth known to humankind. All knowledge and wisdom is contained within the cards of the tarot. Each tarot card is a key that can unlock a door into this world of knowledge and experience. For those who know how to access it, a standard tarot deck has 78 cards, 22 of these cards being known as the trump cards or the major arcana, and the other 56 are called the minor arcana. And there's a hint in the word arcana itself. The word arcana translates to mystery or secret. So the 22 major secrets and the 56 minor secrets. In this particular sub-series, we shall be focusing on the 22 major arcana of the tarot, its symbolism, its meaning, and how we can use these 22 cards for self-transformation and self-realization. One thing you need to keep in mind when we start looking at the symbolism and the meaning of these 22 cards in the major arcana is that these meanings can be extrapolated by looking deeper into the numerology, the astrological correspondences, and the Hebrew letters which are associated with each card. Some individuals are interested in the history of the tarot and its technical construction, but we shall be focusing on that a little later in the sub-series. However, right now I don't want to weigh down your memory with anything that you cannot put into immediate practice right now. You may have problems you want to solve, fears you want to dissolve, desires you want to manifest, and qualities you'd like to develop. Believe it or not, tarot can help you do just that. Most people think tarot is just used as a form of divination or fortune telling. And yes, of course you can use it that way. And you can use the information in this sub-series to absolutely aid your understanding of the tarot for the purposes of divination as well, by all means. However, the real purpose of this sub-series is to explain to you how you can use tarot to completely transform your internal and your external world. Because the hidden potential of tarot is absolutely infinite. And in order for us to do so, it's important that we learn to meditate upon the tarot and the 22 major arcana. And we shall get to this very soon in the sub-series. So please stay tuned by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Thank you for watching, take care, and I shall see you very soon.